My name is CDIO Initiative. I'm come from Thailand. I'm studying in Rajamangala University, Technology, Thanyaburi. My mission of this event is making new friends from another country. Yes, my teammate is a high skill. Yes, like a modeling, 3D modeling, or the presentation. Yes, before I come this, I worry to making friends from another nationality. I think it's so hard, but in the real situation, it's easy than I think. Thanks.
My name is Anna Reiden and I am from the Swedish University, Chalmers University of Technology. And I think this is a great experience being here together with students from all around the globe and being multicultural teams to build something together.
Well, my name is Hugo Wesseling. I'm from the University of Twente, that's from the eastern part of the Netherlands. And about the collaboration on the CDIO, the fun thing about it is that you work with so many nationalities. I've always worked with mechanical engineers from the Netherlands, and for some kind of reason we have the same view on things. But when you come here and you have this mix of nationalities, but also backgrounds and studies, that gives new insights which you're not familiar to, and that's quite cool about it. Sometimes it's difficult to understand each other because not of the language barrier, but more like what their other views are and how they are viewing on some kind of concept. But that gives eventually, I think, a better end result because there are more views for one solution and more ideas, which, in my opinion, is quite a good thing.
Okay, so hi everyone, I'm Trish Maguta from UTen University, Vietnam, and I'm one of the students participating in CDIO. It's such a great honor and an interesting experience. We are collaborating with students from different countries, from Asia, from Russia, and from Europe as well. It's going on quite well, and we've learned a lot. We've gained a lot of knowledge in engineering and in even personal characteristics that we are supposed to improve in ourselves. Thank you.